If you'd like to stake on ByBit, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and give you a little bit of insight as to what exactly it is. Let's dive in. So the first thing that we want to go ahead and do is make sure that we understand what staking is. So staking on ByBit basically is a way to earn passive income by depositing your cryptocurrencies into a staking pool. ByBit offers several staking options, which I will show you in a minute. And this can include anything from ByBit Web3 staking, ByBit savings, and also liquid staking. So let's jump straight into the video. We're going to go right at the bottom. You'll see all of the options from home, markets, trade, earn, and assets. You're going to go and click on the earn button. Now, alternatively, right here at the top, you have a favorites section just underneath the verify now. And if you don't see it here, you can just click on more and you should be able to see it within this list. Now, again, if you don't see it here, you can actually just click on the search bar and you can actually just type it in ByBit earn, and you'll actually find yourself on this page here. Now, from this page over here, you can see that there are a couple recommendations. So you can see over here that there is a BTC only, and then there's the BTC USDT. You can also see that there is a BNB, which is a flexible savings. So you can go ahead and choose which one you would like to go and stake on. So whichever one you choose, you'll actually see the stake now button, and you're going to click on this, and here it'll give you some details. Okay, so you have a buy scenario, so you can buy tokens at a purchase price, and if the settlement price is smaller than the knockout price, you can potentially purchase your desired token at a discount. Then you have the knockout scenario, and then if your settlement price is greater or equal to the knockout price, you'll actually receive your principal plus your APP, which will be paid out in USDT. You can see over here, you can search again for additional options, but essentially you will find the option that you'd like to go with and click on buy now. And once you've clicked on buy now, you'll actually have the investment amount right at the top, so you can actually add your amount. Currently, I have a zero balance, but you'll add your amount in just over here. And then you'll also choose your settlement type. So either an in coin or an in cash. And then right at the bottom, you'll see all your overview of your details. And you're going to click on buy now. And you have successfully put a stake on ByBit.